before every product reaches the road. It passes through a process built on care, precision, and responsibility. Because lubricants isn't just oil, it's protection, it's performance, it's trust, moving through every engine, every machine, and every journey.
Hi, this is Omar from HEXON Lubricants, and today we are inside our production facility where HEXON products are carefully produced, filled, packaged, and prepared for delivery to different markets. At HEXON Production, it's not only about manufacturing lubricants, it's about building trust through every product we deliver. From the selection of raw materials, to the blending process, quality control, filling, labeling, and final packaging, every step is handled with attention and care. Our production process is designed to support consistency, performance, and reliability because every engine, every vehicle, and every machine needs protection that can depend on. Behind every HEXON product, there is a dedicated team, modern production systems, and a clear commitment to quality. We understand that our partners and customers are not only looking for oil, they are looking for a brand they can rely on, a brand that supports their business, their vehicles, and their long-term performance. That's why we continue to improve our production standards, expand our product range, and serve customers in different regions with confidence. For us, quality is not only checked at the end, it's part of the entire process. Every bottle, every package, and every shipment represents our responsibility to deliver products that meet expectations and create value in the market. This is HEXON Lubricants, produced with care, controlled with precision, delivered with confidence, ready for performance. If you are looking for a reliable lubricant partner, a strong product range, or a new business opportunities, our team is ready to connect with you. Contact HEXON Lubricants today.